say. I've been feeling this way for far too long. And now you're gone. Took me away from all of my fears. Kept me away from all of my tears. Now you're gone. And now I'm lost. Finally, I think I can see clearly now. I'm in love. Think about me one more time before you slowly. I'm in love. Took me away from all of my fears. I'm in love. Kept me away from all of my tears. I'm in love. I'm sorry.
One of the little things that we are able to do is just to cry. And I don't think we often think about how wonderful that is. It may not feel that way in the moment or when you're completely overwhelmed with all the feelings that you may be having, but when you think about it and when you get to the point of, just letting your emotions go, letting your emotions flow, that it's really healing in a way. And that's something that I immediately felt when I even heard this music. And, my tears just started flowing. And to be able to just allow those emotions to flow is so relieving. It's so important for us to do. It helps us get rid of that stress that we have pent up inside of us. It can help us even to rejoice about something. If you've ever been so happy that you've cried, that is a wonderful thing as well. And so it's one of those subjects that's a little bit more, difficult to discuss, especially when you are feeling so much pain for whatever reason. But just know that when you allow yourself to cry, you are in a way healing yourself. And so I hope that that's something that all of us don't even take that kind of thing for granted. That God created our bodies in that way to be able to cry. And isn't that a wonderful thing? Even in those moments that things aren't so wonderful, it's just wonderful to be able to do that. And it's a way that we can heal. We can heal our mind, we can heal our body. And so I hope that you enjoyed this film. I would love to know, I don't know if it would work anymore, but I would love to know what your interpretation of the film was, how it spoke to you. And yes, please leave that in the comments below. I wanted to share a few more interpretations of this film, and remember that this was before I said what the little thing was. And still, I think that they're just beautiful to read and to just, just thought-provoking things.